Quit. I quit sugar for a month every January. I am quitting my job at the end of the week right now. I have just quit smoking for good. I have been quitting caffeine gradually for weeks. I quit the gym membership yesterday. I was quitting the game when my teammate rejoined. I had quit the committee before the scandal broke. I had been quitting and restarting the app all morning before it worked. I will quit the night shift next month. I will be quitting bad habits one by one all year. I will have quit every vice by my birthday. By June, I will have been quitting a bad habit every month for a year.